Are you uploading YouTube shorts and not getting the results you desire? Then you are doing it the wrong way. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to post shorts to get more subscribers, more views, and even boost your watch time. Shorts are the fastest way to increase visibility and reach new audience. When you post shorts, they get pushed to people who don't even know you yet. This is perfect, especially for small creators, to get more subscribers and more views. The best part is that some shorts can even drive traffic to your long form videos. Now, I know all of that sounds great, but there's a way to actually post shorts to achieve all of that, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video for free. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to post shorts and how to optimize your shorts to get more subscribers, more views, and get the results that you desire. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. And before we jump into this video, please give this video a like and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's get started. So like I said, shorts are the fastest and easiest way to increase visibility to your channel, to reach new audience, and to get more subscribers and more views. I started posting more shorts in the month of April, and my channel got 3 times more views than any other month. So if you want to increase visibility to your channel and grow your channel faster, then posting shorts is your best answer. Now, you can actually create shorts from scratch, but the focus in this video is how to create shorts from your long form videos. And there are 2 methods. The first method is that you can create shorts in your video editing app. After creating your long form video, you simply just edit it, change the format, and you post it to YouTube. The second method, which is the fastest and easiest method, is by editing and posting your shorts right in the YouTube app. I recently discovered this method and it has been a game changer for me, and that is what I'm going to share with you in this video. So after posting your long form videos, make sure you head over to YouTube, create as many shorts. You can create 2 or 3 shorts and post them. This will help you to increase visibility to your channel. Shorts are basically like an advertisement to your videos or your channel. So make sure don't post people's shorts. When you post your long form videos, you can create 2 to 3 shorts from the long form video, and it is going to help you to advertise your channel. It is going to help you to reach new audience, and you're going to get more subscribers and you're going to get more views. So I'm going to show you how you can actually edit and post shorts right in the YouTube app. So after posting your long form video to YouTube, go to YouTube and open the video. To edit your video into a short, click on the remix button, then click on edit into a short. So over here you can drag like this and locate best and catchy moments in your video that you want to use as a short. So simply just drag like this and locate or action moments that you can use as a short. If you look at the top right corner, it says 15 seconds. If you want to edit more than 15 seconds, you can click on it, and as you can see, you can now edit up to 60 seconds. But make sure that your short is not long. It is called short for a reason. People who watch short content don't watch long videos. So you can use 15 seconds, 30 seconds, unless maybe in special cases you want to do up to 60 seconds. If you also want to change the layout of your short video, you can do that by clicking on the layout button at the bottom left corner. Then you can explore all of these layouts and look for the one that you like. So let's say we are satisfied with this. All you have to do is click on continue, and over here we can add text. So click on the text tool. Let's say this video is about how to get more views, so I want to write something very catchy. So we say get more views. Later we're going to use this as our thumbnail or cover, so we're going to place it somewhere here. You can tap on it, then click on timing, and let's bring it somewhere here. We don't want it to be or to cover the entire video. Let's click on OK. So then click on next, and it will bring us to this page, and we're going to explore some settings. So the first thing here is the thumbnail or cover. So you can click on the edit tool and make sure you use this frame where we have the text. So this is going to attract viewers, and they are likely going to click on your video. So let's click on OK. The next thing here is the caption or title. So make sure that your title is very short. Make sure that it contains at least 2 strong keywords. Don't make it to be too long. Let's say alright, so the next thing here is to add hashtags in your title. don't add too many hashtags. Don't confuse YouTube. Don't try to confuse YouTube. I advise you just add shorts. If you like, you can add one more hashtag that is relevant to the video topic, but just put only shorts. Next, make sure that the visibility is set to unlisted. The next thing we're going to look at here is related video. So make sure you link the long form video so that when people watch the short form video and they want to learn more about the video or whatever you're talking about, they can click to watch the full or long form video. So locate the long form video and select it and click on upload shorts. The next thing we're going to do is to go to YouTube Studio and locate the shorts you just uploaded. Click on the pen or edit tool here, and we're going to do some more settings. So the first thing here is add description. So make sure you add some video description, or you can go to the long form video and copy the description there and come and paste it here. So let's paste it right here, and you can also add some hashtags in your video description. So you can add shorts, then also add viral shorts. So make sure you add 5 to 6 hashtags. So the first two you can add shorts, viral shorts, then you add some 2 or 3 hashtags related to the video. So since this, we are saying this is about how to get more views, so we're going to say, alright, so you can add shorts, viral shorts, and add some 2 or 3 more related hashtags. Alright, and you can also add your channel name. Alright, so once you're done, you go back. The next important thing here is to add your shorts to a playlist. So you can add your shorts to the playlist where the long form video belongs to, or you can create different playlists for your shorts. This is also a good strategy to get more views. Next, we have altered content. So if your video contains AI, you select yes, otherwise you select no. This is going to help YouTube to know the right audience to recommend your videos to. So if your video contains AI and you select yes, it is going to recommend your videos to people who like watching AI content. Okay, next we have more options. Click on it, and then here you can add tags. So you can add shorts, you can add viral shorts, you can add YouTube shorts. But once you put this, you can now put relevant tags for your video. You can add how to get more views, or let's say get more views. So you can add more tags relevant to your video. You can also add your channel niche. If it is technology or if it is how-to videos, you can write how to. You can also add your channel name. Okay, so the next thing here is shorts remixing. Make sure you allow video and audio remixing. So when you go viral, people are going to be remixing your video or your audio, and the more they are going to be remixing your content, the more you're going to go viral, or the more you're going to get more views, or the more you're going to get more attention. So let's go back, and we have category. Make sure you select the right category for your video. Also, we have show how many viewers like this video. I suggest you uncheck it because people don't like watching shorts or content that have low likes. When they see the video, immediately when they see that it doesn't have much likes, most people just scroll. So uncheck this option. Once you are done, go back to visibility, then select public and click on save. And now your short is going to go public, it's going to go live. There's a wrong way and there's the right way to post shorts, and now you know the difference. So don't waste another upload. Follow these tips and watch how fast your channel grows. Hit the like button if you found this video useful. Comment your channel name so that I can check it out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing YouTube growth tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.